Hey, welcome back everybody to... That's you. You gotta get in on this, Kenzie. Try it again, okay?
Okay.
Hey everybody, welcome back to...
Northcountryyoffgrid.
There you go. Today is a mail call. It is a rainy day today out here on the homestead. So instead of working outside, we'll get a little work inside done. Plus, McKinley got a package a while ago. And so we're going to let her open it. She's chomping at the bit. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, oh, so we got to say who it's from.
Oh.
Guys, this was sent to Miss McKinley here from Little Acres. Need a hand?
Yeah, you.
Stuffed in there. Oh, your knuckles are too big. There
Hey,
you
I
go.
got it.
Ooh, what do we got there? Okay, let me do the thing with the thing here.
Okay. So do I open
Oh, hold on a second. Let me read the note here. It's a cupcake. It's a nice cupcake. Chad, Shelby, and McKinley, that's you. Our daughter recently whoa! We're gonna read it afterwards. We'll spoil it.
Okay. You know what it is.
Careful,
I got a bag.
careful. Hours of fun with a bag on the homestead.
Cool.
Okay, I'm going to read it. Show the camera. It says, our daughter recently inherited a knife collection from her grandfather. She would like McKinley to have this one. It is fun to watch McKinley open packages with her dad, and we thought she should get a package of her own. It's a pretty good idea, huh?
Yeah.
That is, let me see that. That is really, really special.
Yeah, what does that say?
It says case, I believe. That is a made in America.
Ooh.
That is a very, and I smudged it up. Now I'm gonna have to wipe the grease off. That's a really cool gift.
Yeah.
You probably don't understand how special that is, but to get a gift, of someone's grandfather's knife collection,
Yeah.
that's a big deal. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Can I have it?
But this is
All right, you
me.
can keep it.
That
That's
cool?
really nice. Very cool. Love it. All right, on to the next. That's so cool. Thank you, guys. We'll have to, we'll send a little return gift. Do you want to know why we're going to send a return gift?
Why?
It is traditional that when somebody gives you a knife, it's good luck to give them a coin in return. So we will send a special coin in return.
We're not using boys on this.
That's okay. She doesn't know what kind of coin we're going to send. On to the next one. We've got us another letter here. I pre-opened it. We got to pre-check these for any explosives. This is from Todd Miller, who has a channel. And we actually did a sticker swap with him. He asked if we could swap stickers. I said, oh, heck yeah. Oh, look at that. All right, let's read it real quick. It says, hello, my friend. Here are my channel stickers and magnet. Thank you for doing a trade. I hope you like mine. The die cut is a glow in the dark. Oh, okay, cool. Your friend Todd.
Is that a magnet?
No, that's a sticker. That's a sticker. That is a magnet. Those are super cool. Guys, I'm going to stick his link, channel link down in the bucket down there. So you guys can go check him out. That is, hey, that's a pretty cool sticker.
Yeah.
Got the Don't Tread on Me. Todd Miller, YouTube. You don't get any of these.
What?
What? Which one's glow in the dark? Kidding, don't mess it up. Very cool, Todd. Thank you, sir. Those are really cool stickers. I like those.
Yeah.
Moving through, on to the next. Got the buck knife. Let's open this box one first.
Okay.
We'll open the envelope one. We got a couple. We got a big box coming.
Here's my knife.
Oh, your knife is really nice. That's something you should just tuck away.
No, never.
Don't ever lose it. All right, guys. So this was sent directly from Amazon.
Amazon River?
No, this was Amazon. It's like a big building that sends people junk.
Oh.
Yeah. Let's see here. We've got a... Oh, we got a note card here from Amazon. It says, a gift for you. Hi, Shelby.
Oh.
This one's for Shelby.
Pretty sure she's not
We'll
in.
open it anyway. It says, a member of my bee club we belong to wrote and published this book. Hope your children enjoy it. From Elizabeth, the Bee Lady Apiary. Also a channel, guys. I will be sticking that link as well down in the bucket. Go check it out.
Show me.
Boom.
That's cool.
Hazel the Honeybee. So this is a storybook for kids. Looks like it's informational as well. Show you guys some pictures here. Got some bees in the hieroglyphs there. Got some pictures, some stuff going on.
Is that the queen bee right there?
Where at? Yep, that's
Yeah.
the queen bee. She got a big old booty, and she's much larger than the rest. Very cool. Thin little book. Good little read for the kids. I'll stick a link in the description for this too, guys, as well. If you want to go and support a little guy. I like it. Okay. Oh, you want to do the big one?
Yeah, let's do
Okay,
the
let's do
big
the big one
one.
here.
Here, I'll open up the big one.
I already have it open. I got to pre-screen these
Okay.
for bombs. Hold on. Got to look for a note. It's always good to find a note.
No.
Found a note.
Oh, got a note.
We got a note. We got a note. This is from Nancy Hill. Nancy Hill is a viewer, a subscriber. Thank you, Nance, in advance. Dear Chad and Shelby, not you, congratulations on your new addition to the family. Can't wait to see him arrive. Hope you guys can enjoy. Hope you guys and him. Oh, sorry.
I don't know how
It's
to
a
read.
reading issue here. We only made it past the 6th grade.
How?
My bad. Hope you guys and him enjoy this gift. Thanks for being a great channel on YouTube. Regards, Nancy Hill. Very cool.
I open
Yeah, go ahead. Pull that out of there.
it.
Okay, what do we got? What do we got?
A blanket, I think.
Blankets? Is that what it is?
I think it's
Some
clothes.
baby blankets
I
for the
think
new
it's either
boy?
blanket or clothes.
Oh, it's Burt's Bees baby blankets?
What's that?
I have no... Well, Burt's Bees makes like natural chapstick and different lip product, balm, things like that.
Isn't there honey?
Made out of beeswax. I don't know how these have anything to do with Burt's Bees. If it's just a brand or somehow... That doesn't matter. Those are cool. I like it. Very cool. Okay, what else is in there?
Package.
What is that? You got a little baby onesie? What are those, frogs?
Yeah.
Got a baby onesie with some frogs on them. That is super cool. The feeder frogs.
So cute.
Very cool. Onesies are the coolest thing. Little person walking around in a onesie is just super funny.
Yeah.
Get in there.
Aw, that's cute.
What do you got? Another onesie? Little dinosaur? Dinosaur feet? Super cool. Nancy, thank you so much. That's awesome.
Yeah. That like a little.
Think your little brother will like those?
Yeah.
I bet.
I don't know him. He's been in like.
He's quiet.
Dangerous,
And he's very quiet, isn't he? He doesn't say much.
Yeah. It's weird.
He'll say plenty here in a couple months.
Okay.
We got one more. All right, guys, this last one is a box from another subscriber, Arkansas Pilgrim, longtime subscriber. Pre-read this note. All right. It says, Dear Chad, I'm just dropping you this note to say thanks for a great channel. You're a blessing to me because I am encouraged by your and Shelby's attitude and choices. Would that my wife and I had your, or wish, yeah, would that my wife and I had your wisdom when we were young. As a small token of my appreciation, I have sent you some of my homemade lip balm. Very cool. I call it lip stuff. It's clever. Our printer is on the fritz, so they don't have labels. That's all right. It's the best in the world. No brag, just fact. I like it. It's olive oil and coconut oil and beeswax and menthol and camphor. I don't know what that is. Enjoy. I've also sent the best book for men ever. I hope it blesses you. God bless you and your family. P.S. Lip stuff works on all kinds of owies, cuts, bug bites. Very cool. Let's get into that and check it out.
We have...
Let me see this book real quick. John Eldridge, Wild at Heart, Discovering the Secret of a Man's Soul. Very cool. Very cool. We like reading books out here. I will start on this one. I will also provide a link for this if you guys are interested in reading the #1 book for men, according to Arkansas Pilgrim. There'll be a link in the bucket.
What is it?
You gonna show what else you got in there? So he said he sent ooh, little lip balm. Come a little lip balmer.
Here's one for me. Here's one for you.
You got some chap 'em, stick 'em.
And
That is so cool. Ooh, that smells good.
Mmm. You got 4.
Mmm. 4 of them?
It smells
4 for me?
minty. No.
Mmm.
Okay, that one's yours. This one's mine.
Mmm.
I think you're
Smells
enjoying it.
delicious.
I can tell. Is he enjoying it?
I will enjoy it. I like lip balm. This stuff is just fun to put
Is
on.
this lip balm too?
Little chapstick, little lip balm.
What is this?
Maybe that one's for your owies. Get little cuts, little scrapes. Well, luckily we trust Arkansas Pilgrim to not kill me because I just threw some of this on my lips. Alrighty guys, well that is it. Thank you so much to all of you who sent us in stuff. We take that to heart. We love that you guys want to be a part of what we do and send us a little something, especially stuff like this that is just so thoughtful, you know, and to send a book and to send a knife, like it's all just, it's so appreciated. So thank you guys so much. What are you smiling about? Because you got a knife?
Yeah.
I like your knife.
Me too.
Guys, thanks for watching. We appreciate you. We will catch you
On the next one.
Let's say it to them.
Oh. We'll see you on the next one.